Hi, my name is Elizabeth Kern, and I'm going to be going over Google Slides as my assignment 6.1a, ePortfolio Technology. First, I wanted to go over what an ePortfolio is. ePortfolios are essential in any classroom today. It's a digital collection created by a student of their coursework. So things like essays, posters, photographs, videos, and artwork, just to name a few. They showcase a student's project or work for a class over time. ePortfolios generate learning because they provide an opportunity for students to assess their academic work, to reflect on that work, and make connections among different courses and other assignments or activities. Why use an ePortfolio? ePortfolios are a great way to collect student work for either a project or unit depending on what you're using it for. Some advantages of ePortfolios are an increased access to student work. The student can get access to it from anywhere as long as it's online. They also have really great skill development through digital portfolios or through ePortfolios, and it allows them to track their own growth in that assessment. Collaboration is a big focus in my class, and this tool allows for students to get feedback from other students, or they can work on a group portfolio together. The best part for me is it's free. Some disadvantages would be any computer-related issue, so school Wi-Fi going down or a personal or school device being broken. Another issue would be any extra support can be challenging with everybody working individually. Getting students individual support can be time-consuming. Creative uses of ePortfolios is the fact that they have the ability to make it their own. You can add videos, voiceovers, picture, text, and so much more. It is a great tool that many educators could really benefit from. Google Slides as an ePortfolio technology. There are many great educational tools for ePortfolios, but my favorite is Google Slides. In Google Slides, they offer a template gallery, and there are pre-designed templates called Portfolio. As the name indicates, Portfolio provides users with pre-made layouts to help with the construction of a portfolio in a form of a presentation. Students can also work in groups and collaborate in creating, as well as peer editing each other's portfolios using the Google Slides collaborative features. As the teacher, we need to explain to students what is expected of them when they're working on ePortfolios. Some students may find it challenging to understand the need for them to reflect on their work, and providing those clear expectations will help them understand why they're creating the ePortfolio to begin with. Also, a key to student success is providing examples, either a student who did really well or a teacher example. Personally, I like to provide an example with missing information so that the students can create one that looks similar to mine but has their own information. Reflection. My students have expressed a lot of enjoyment from our use of Google Slides as an ePortfolio. They create a few different ones for my class every year. They find it easy to use and straightforward. There really isn't a learning curve unless they are doing something they haven't done before. I go over the basics at the beginning of the year to make sure that they are confident, but I truly find it student-friendly. Personally, for me, I love the formatting is easy to understand, and it makes it easy for students to make it their own and personalize it to their liking. I find when students make it more unique and more them, they put more work into their project. It is a great and easy way for students to get involved in their learning. It is also super easy to submit on our online learning platform, which happens to be Schoology. Overall, I would recommend Google Slides to anyone looking for an easy-to-use and student-friendly ePortfolio technology. And here are my resources. Thank you.